Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Alright, press 1 cash. I'm back with it, guys. I want to go over this real quick, but I want to concentrate on the comp plan. I want you guys to see the potential income with a simple texting software, okay? Really simple, okay? First, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Press 1 cash. Okay, it's a software that you can use to market any business. Doesn't matter what business you have and you're looking to promote that business, this will help you do that, okay? If you do not have a business and you're looking for a simple business where you don't have to do a lot of internet marketing, don't have to do a lot of learning about online marketing, this is perfect. Just share a phone number, okay? If you can share a phone number, mail out a postcard, send a text message, boom, you can do this business, okay? Now, what happens is you're going to be assigned a phone number, okay? Everybody's assigned a specific number, their own number, and it will have a recorded message already attached to it that speaks about making money from home. So when people call the number, they hear that message. If they want more information, they'll press 1 and it actually texts them your website, okay? So that keeps us compliant because they pressed 1. We're not just automatically texting them a message, okay? It's just that simple. So it comes with 100 credits, which means 100 people can actually call your number before you have to spend another dime on credits, okay? Let me say that again. It comes with 100 credits. And it costs 1 credit per text. So every time someone dials a number and press 1, you're charged a credit. So it comes with 100 credits. So you can actually have 100 different people call your number. Okay? Just from the beginning. That's included. So because it's $297 one time, you're going to make $200 per sign up. Okay? So it comes with 100 credits. Alright, so, and after that, you'll buy more credits, and you can get 1,000 credits, guys, for $10. So it's very cheap to promote this business. Very, very, very cheap. Okay, so you'll pass up your first sale, though. When you come in, your first sale, you'll pass that up to your sponsor. Then after that, you're qualified, and you can make $200 over and over and over and over and over. Okay, now, how do you get paid? I highly recommend downloading the Cash app. That's free. Very simple, very easy. And then ORU is a debit card that I am recommending. And actually, it's going to be added in a few home business opportunities I'm already a part of. So look out for that. It's going to be big. That's how you want to receive your money because you don't want PayPal tying up your money and holding it and shutting down your account. Okay? So Cash App is what I'm using. You can also you can use Stripe. Okay? But these two are going to be very simple and easy, and it cuts out the processor, Cash App and ORU, and I'll put the links below for that. Alright, so anyway, very simple program. You get this website with it, okay, and it explains everything that I just mentioned. Okay, now let me show you this real quick, and then we're going to talk about this comp plan real quick. Hang on, check this out.
In our system, we assign you an auto text messaging phone number. So how's that work? When anyone calls your assigned number, they'll hear a short message that says,
"For information on how to make daily cash from home, press 1 now."
When they press 1 from their smartphone, they'll immediately receive a text with your website. It's all done for you. That's how simple it is. You'll log into your back office and see an ocean of cell phone numbers from people that pressed 1. Then the real good stuff happens. They'll join your business and want the same marketing system and purchase Press 1 Cash from you. You make $200 over and over again. Pretty sweet, right? But it even gets better. Not only do we give you your own Press 1 Cash marketing website with back office tracking and training, but you'll have a built-in one-up comp plan that generates $200 payments from every first person you bring in and every single first person they bring in. All paid direct to you via PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, or however you want. Try it out now. Call the person's number on the website that brought you here and see how easy this works. There's no monthly fees. Plus, we give you 100 text credits free. You can buy additional text credits later in your back office for only a penny each. For example, 1,000 text credits is only $10, and they never expire. So what are you waiting for? Join now and start generating leads, cash, and fun the Press 1 Cash way. No other.
Okay, so you heard that. That's how it works. Just as simple. So what I want to do is let's go over the not making any income claims. I just want to show you the comp plan. Okay, you're getting paid $200 per sale. Okay, if you come all the way down here, they have a little calculator on my website. Okay, you have this as well right here. Okay, but I jotted down some notes because I want to show you something real quick here. Okay, check mine out. Let me give you the number again, 678-932-0152. Call that number. You can also go to the website, ezmobilepay.com. Now, let's go down here. I kind of did some numbers for you. Okay, this is, you know, it'll hit you once you really sit down and do the numbers. Because at first people are just saying, oh, you make $200 a sale. That's great. But do you realize you're getting a pass up, guys? For everybody that joins you, you're going to get their first sale. That is powerful. Okay? Let me give you an example. 2 sales equates to $800. Okay? Because when you bring 2 people in, you're going to make $200 per sale, right? So 200 times 2 is 400. But in essence, those same 2 people have to pass their sales up to you. So 2 sales actually equates to $800. Okay? 4 sales, you make $800 up front. On the back end, it really equates to $1,600. So 4 sales is $1,600. 6 sales, $1,200 up front. The next 2 sales that come in, you double that. Next 6 sales that come in, you double it. It's $3,200. Do the numbers, okay? 8 sales, okay, let's go down here. Let's move this thing down a little bit. Okay, 8 sales is $1,600 up front. As soon as 8 people sign up with you, you make $1,600. Okay, when they pass up, each of those 8 pass up 1 sale, that's $6,400 in total. 10 sales, $2,000 on the front, $12,800 on the back. Okay, so when those 10 people, each of those 10 people pass up a sale, it's $12,800. So you can make some great money with just this program alone, not doing anything else. Okay, just think about that. It is simple, simply sharing a phone number. Okay, and you may say, well, how can I do it? Okay, I've jotted down some ways here, but I want to show you. I have a postcard. I have another video. I'm going to put the link to that video so you can go see the postcard that I created for it. But that's what I'm going to do next week. Meanwhile, guess what? I have text message marketing I'm doing. I'll put the links below for these. You can do classified ads, guys. Place an ad, put your phone number on it, and trust me, you will get a lot of responses. People will dial that number to get more information. You can place a solo ad. Okay, you can do social media, that's free, or you can purchase some leads. I'm in the Conversion Pros, and they have actual leads, names, emails, and phone numbers of people, targeted people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, so if you're comfortable with speaking with people, you can purchase some leads back there. I believe you get 50 names, emails, and phone numbers for $44, something like that. Not bad. So you can go check that out too, givemeleads.info. But let me show you the capture page that I put together for my postcard campaign that I'm going to start on Monday. Okay, I have a capture page I created specifically for it, so let me show you that. Alright, this is the capture page I put together, and if you join me in the Conversion Pros, I can give you my share code for this. Okay, the Conversion Pros is $50 a month. You make $25 from everyone that you refer over to that program. You get a 7-day trial. Okay, so you can check it out, see if you like it. You don't have to put in a credit card, but you can check it out for free. Okay, if you decide you want to upgrade, it's $50, $50 a month. Okay, but this page I created in the Conversion Pros, so when people get my postcard in the mail, okay, they're going to go to this page, And then I have a bridge page. But what you can do till you're comfortable is you just, when they opt in, you just send them back over here to your page right here that the company gives us, the replicated site. When they go here, they're going to watch that video we just watched, and it has your phone number on it, so it'll be familiar with them, because this is a number you're going to put on the postcard. Okay, and then they'll watch. They have 3 videos here, so it's pretty cut and dry. Okay, there's really not a lot of question, really. When you look at this, it's simple. It explains what you get, how it works, how much you pay, who is it for. They even talk about, you know, your credits, so you know what you're getting here. Okay, so I've created a postcard for that. So if you're interested and you want to join me in this program and you want the postcard template, I will make that template up for you. Actually, I'll put your phone number and your website on it, or your phone number, whatever you prefer, but I'll give you the template for free. I'll make it, email it to you, and then you can go to your local printer to get it printed out. But I do know some places that you can go online and place your order for your postcards if you don't have a local place. Like I go to Office Depot, and then there's a place online that I order postcards from too, so I'll be happy to give that to you. But I'm going to push postcard marketing for this, in addition to the other methods that I use. Of course, text message marketing is in there and placing ads. But I'm just giving you some ideas of how you can share your number, because that's all you need to do is share a number. Okay? Share a number. So let me see here. Hang on one second. On my card, I have my I have a website on here, so I don't want to reveal that website. You can see, and when they go to that domain, it's going to take them over to that capture page I just showed you. Okay, so I will be happy to share that template with you. Okay, when you join me. But you can do something as simple as mailing out a postcard, guys. Okay, mail out a postcard for this program, and remember, again, look at these numbers. You can do this. Okay, look at the numbers. Think of the pass-ups. Okay, without you doing anything else but bringing those people in, as long as they're marketing, okay, and they're promoting this business, their first sale is going to go up to you. Okay, automatically. Okay, so that 1-up is going to be compounding leverage that you're going to have in this program. Okay, so it's going to be very well worth mailing out postcards for if you're going to be making $200 over and over, plus the pass-ups you're going to get. All right, so think about that. Look at the numbers, do the numbers, think of the business model. I think this is a as I put a note here, see if I can get my screen to go up. This is a simple business. Okay, simple. Sharing a phone number. Okay, I don't think you get any simpler than that. You share a phone number. So again, I've mailed a card, and I put the phone number on there, and you drop these in the mail. Okay? Place ads. Send text messages. Basically, you want this number everywhere. Okay? So, that's it. I just want to come to you with Press 1 Cash once again, just to show you the leverage of this comp plan. Okay? So, you definitely want to take a look at this. I'm going to put the link below. And I'll put the link below for the marketing methods that I spoke of as well. But postcards is going to be a great way to promote Press 1 Cash. Because you have to think about, there's a whole different target market of people that's offline as well. Okay? So you'll be able to contact those people and get them to join you. Because if they just have a basic skills, as in they know how to log and copy paste, they can just log into the system and sign up and just start mailing postcards. They don't even have to do online marketing. Alright, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, okay, and check this out. If you have any questions, give me a call. I look forward to working with you. You guys have a blessed day.